If you've ever looked at your bank account and wondered where all your money went, you're not alone. Most people don't actually have a spending problem, they have a structure problem. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple rule that can organize your entire financial life without complicated spreadsheets or financial stress. It's called the 50/30/20 rule, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how much to spend, how much to save, and how much you can enjoy guilt-free. The 50/30/20 rule is one of the simplest budgeting systems you can use. It divides your after-tax income into three clear categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investing. That's at three buckets. Instead of tracking every single dollar, you focus on keeping your spending within these percentages, which gives you structure, balance, and clarity without overwhelm. Before dividing anything, you need one important number: how much money actually hits your bank account each month. Not your salary before tax, and not the number in your job offer the real amount deposited into your account. Let's say that number is $4,000 per month. That's your base, and now we divide it. The first category is needs, which are the expenses required for you to survive and function. This includes rent or mortgage, groceries, utilities, transportation, insurance, and minimum debt payments. If you earn $4,000 per month, 50% means your essential expenses should not exceed $2,000. If they do, that's a signal that something may need adjusting. This is where most people get confused. Groceries are a need, but dining out multiple times a week is a want. A basic phone plan is a need, but an expensive upgrade is likely a want. A reliable car to get to work is a need, while a luxury vehicle that stretches your budget is a want. Being honest in this step is what creates financial control. The second category is wants, which are things that improve your lifestyle but aren't essential for survival. This includes eating out, vacations, streaming subscriptions, shopping, and hobbies. If you make $4,000 per month, 30% gives you $1,200 to spend on lifestyle choices. And the key here is that you can spend this amount guilt-free because it fits within your plan. The final category is savings and investing, which is where long-term wealth is built. 20% of $4,000 equals $800, and that money should go toward emergency funds, retirement accounts, investments, or extra debt payments. Most people try to save whatever is left at the end of the month, but financially disciplined people save first and spend what remains. The reason this rule works is because it's simple and sustainable. It forces you to live below your means, prevents lifestyle inflation, builds savings automatically, and still allows you to enjoy your life. It's not extreme budgeting, it's structured balance. Let's look at different income levels. If you earn $2,500 per month, you save $500. If you earn $5,000, you save $1,000. If you earn $10,000, you save $2,000. As your income increases, your savings increase automatically as long as you stick to the percentages, and that's how wealth compounds quietly over time. If your current breakdown looks more like 70% needs, 25% wants, and only 5% savings, don't panic. You have three levers you can pull: reduce your needs, reduce your wants, or increase your income. The rule isn't meant to judge you, it's meant to show you where adjustments are needed. To make this system effortless, open a separate savings or investment account and set up automatic transfers for 20% of your income. Pay your fixed bills next, and whatever remains becomes your wants budget. Automation removes emotion from the process because you're no longer deciding whether to save. It already happened. If you consistently save $800 per month, that's $9,600 per year and nearly $50,000 in 5 years without even accounting for growth. With consistent investing and compounding, that number can cross 6 figures over time. There's no need for lottery tickets or extreme risks, just consistency and structure. The real benefit of this rule isn't just money, it's peace of mind. When you know your bills are covered, your future is funded, and your spending has limits, stress decreases significantly because clarity removes anxiety, while financial chaos is what actually creates it. The 50/30/20 rule isn't about being perfect, it's about being intentional. Money without a plan tends to disappear, but money with structure begins to multiply. With just 3 categories and one simple formula, you gain total clarity. Now the only question is whether you'll start using it.